Welcome back. Now, if you have an older version of Dragon Naturally Speaking, you'll be able to find that older version if you have the order number from your online receipt as well as a password you created. Now, if you don't have the password, you can always use the Forgot Your Order password link to create one here. Once you can find your receipt, you'll want to place your order number in and then your password. You'll typically have your download button. You'll have all of your invoice information, and then you'll be able to click the download button. If your version is old, you're going to get this error message, and you're going to need to contact customer service in order to get a hold of it, if that's possible based on the terms of your purchase. If you are upgrading, you'll need to come to the front page. You'll need to look for the professional version. You'll need to click Learn More. And then when you click the Learn More link and you scroll down, you'll see that there's going to be a link for the upgrade. And then you'll want to click that link. Nuance will bring you to this checkout. You'll then click Checkout. Now you'll be asked for your existing Nuance login. You'll need to place that in this box. If you don't have it, you'll need to go back to your previous receipt in order to retrieve it. Once you've made the purchase, you'll then have a receipt. You'll then have a button to begin your download. You can choose any of these extended download options if you think that you're going to need to keep it. Otherwise, you can just store it in your cloud storage. Now to get started, you'll go ahead and then click Begin Download. You'll typically need to go through a reboot process in order to continue the install. You'll need to accept the license agreement, and then you'll need to continue the install. Now the total install process will probably take up to 30 minutes, so you'll want to budget the time. You can then start the process and then you can continue on with some additional work. Once the process is complete, you can then click Finish. You'll need then to register so that you'll be able to have access to updates. When you open for the first time, you'll then click Next. Based on your selection, Dragon will ask you to select a particular accent. You will do that. You'll then need to choose your audio device, and then you'll click Next. Dragon will then ask you to position your microphone correctly. You'll then click Next. At this point, we're going to start creating a personalized profile by reading a paragraph. And basically, we are into the account creation process. What we're going to do now is we're going to stop the video and we're going to pick it up from creating your profile. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.